Let me show you how to make a front look 3D without it being 3D. It's very, very easy. So this is the front here. This is what we have. So let's move this to the front so I can show you how to make this work. You guys see that? So behind this, we just need to lie about it being 3D because we already have this at the back of Arya Star. So what we just need to do is like turn off these lights. This is what we have literally. So if we take this back to where we have Arya Star, this is what we have. So plan like nothing is going on. But if I turn this on, you see it looks 3D. So how do you want to do this? It's simple. You can use your brush. Definitely use your brush to fix this. So let me show you what to do. Let me pick this color back and turn this off. So let's start from a fresh to create this. So I just created the layout for this. Let's increase this a little bit, and we already have the color we are using. So what we want to do is just paint over this, but we'll be increasing this and reducing this guy. So let's just paint over this. So sometimes you don't need to start trying to like download from that look 3D. You just need to understand how to make it look 3D without downloading a 3D font. So we have this and this. So moving towards this side, what we just need to do is very simple. You can just back this down here. You see that? See? You just need to understand where your light is coming from. And this, we're going to make it 3D this way. So you just need to paint over, and you're getting your 3D lookalike front. Do this for this side too, then. So something you can just play around with. Then we've done this, then we need to add a little bit of white to this side. So let's go straight, then let's change this to white. You see that? So you see now. So now it's looking more of the 3D. When you had white to something like this, it gives you that 3D effects you are looking for. So let's do that. You see that? You see? So depending on how you want to make it, there are plenty ways you can. You see, there are plenty ways you can do stuff without stressing. So now let's just reduce this a little bit because we don't want it to be too much. We don't want it to overshadow. So this is how to make a 3D front without using a 3D front. Simple as that. So let's move this to the front of Arya Star. It's so simple, it looks so rough, but once this goes to the back of the female artist, it becomes a 3D front. Very, very easy, very, very simple. If you want a breakdown for this flyer, click on the comments below and I'm going to drop a tutorial on this.